Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So this video I am so excited for. I've been waiting to do a video like this for so long now. Yes, I have a little bit of a change of scenery. This is where I keep everything, like the inventory for my Poshmark. I keep it in my sister's room. So Ashley, if you ever see this, thank you so much for letting me use your room for my Poshmark clothes and inventory. So the reason I say I've been waiting to this video for so long is because I wanted to have at least more than one sale that I showed you guys shipping with me. So today, this morning, I received not one, not two, but 3 orders. So I'm going to fulfill those with you guys. I love watching these videos myself, so I thought it would be fun to do one. So I just ordered my Rolo for label makers. That should be here soon. I was really hoping it was going to come today, but it's not going to come till next week. So whatever, at least it's on the way here to me. So what I basically do, I already did this step so that it doesn't take up as much time, but I gotta go quick because the post office is gonna close in about an hour, so I have to get this done very fast. So when you make a sale on Poshmark, you get the Poshmark label, or like the label, what would you call this? The label. It gets sent to you by email, and then from there you can print it however you need to print it. So I have already printed them, and because I got 3 on the back, I just wrote what I sold, and so that way it's a lot easier for me to keep track of which package goes to who, because I don't want to send something out or the wrong item to the wrong person. So I now have to go through. I do not have any kind of system, and it's so bad, so I am so embarrassed that I'm not even going to show you guys how I find everything. This is just one of the racks, so I'm gonna go into the drawers and look for the 3 items that I need to have, and then I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the process. So let me go get those real quick. Okay, so I found everything. That was literally, no, not even joking, it took me 2 minutes because I had everything in the same drawer, which is super exciting. I try to keep like all long sleeve items together, but the system gets messed up all the time, so I wasn't sure if they're going to be right on the top. But this first piece that sold was an Under Armour, nice materials, but on the back it has the logo. And then on the front, if you watched any of my recent videos, this was a recent purchase. So I'm super excited that it sold. I figured it would sell because, you know, we are in the month of December. Also, happy December. So that was a UPS truck. I was like, I better run. So yeah, this was a very recent purchase. So this is one of the pieces that I sold. Super exciting. This piece that I sold is also another Under Armour piece. This is awesome. The girl asked if this was good for like running, and I said this is exactly what it's made for. So it's also a very nice color. Very small and light turtleneck, which is really nice. So that's also super cute. And the next piece that sold, also these are all very, you know, long sleeve. I think there's one going to Nebraska, one going to Ohio, and the other one is going to, I don't remember, Tennessee, I believe. Yes, Tennessee. So those are all places that are definitely very chilly right now. So this is an American Eagle flannel. I thought this color was so cute. Wish it was my size because this is perfect for obviously this season that we're in. So the next thing that I do is many of the times I do steam the items before I even put them away into my inventory. They do get kind of folded up, so I'm gonna go and show you guys how I steam them real quick. All right, so another change of scenery, but I wanted to come back into my room because that's where I have everything set up to steam. So I am going to turn on my handy dandy steamer. So you just pop that little button on, and sometimes it gets a little dusty, but eventually it will turn on. Here it's gonna start fizzing up. So I just do one last steam, and this with the ring light also really helps me to see any flaws that I missed, maybe things I have to sew up really quick, or stains that I missed. So this is kind of the last and final step before I get it packaged. So I just do a quick steam. Also, this helps to kill and take off any of the dust or any smell that's been on it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. change of scenery. So I've just finished steaming everything, and I did find a stain on one of the shirts, so that is again one of the main reasons why I go back, do a re-steam, do a really good look at, because I don't want to get, you know, a return, or I don't want an unsatisfied customer. So I hate when I find stains, because then it takes more time. You just know what I'm talking about, because when you take time to destain it, it has to dry, can't ship it out. So that's, I'm kind of upset right now, but we're just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna do the two now and show you guys how I do it. So it's not organized at all, but in this little cubby here I keep pretty much everything, and on the side here I have like all of my boxes and all of that kind of fun stuff. So I'm gonna pick everything out and show you guys, but for today all of these items can fit in poly mailers, and I'm trying to save those boxes for bundles and bigger purchases. A couple of weeks, only because the boxes are going to take a while to get here right now because everybody's ordering them. So today, on kind of Christmas, I think I'm going to use blue poly mailers because, you know, like snow, you know. So I'm going to go over here and just pull them out. I have 3 poly mailers here, and they're this blue color, like teal. Then I use these little packet pouches to put my labels in, so I don't have to use tape. You just peel off the back here, and then you stick it around the package and you put your label in there, and it's perfect. This is what I've been using because I don't have a label maker, but now that I've ordered it, it's on its way. We've already discussed this, but you just slap these on the package. I have different duct tape that I use that kind of goes around to make it cute. I don't really have anything Christmas themed, so I might have to go for tropical, which is fine because I live in Florida. So the next thing that I put in every package is a little thank you card. So I did them red, like Christmas themed, a little snowflake. I also add a little code on here. It goes something like, thank you for purchasing from my closet. Visit again to get 15% off your next purchase. Enjoy. And then I have the code there. So I just slip it in the package to see if I can get any repeat customers. Put those in there. So I just picked out 3. I have them pre-made, so I don't have to sit here every time and make them, which is nice because it makes my life a lot easier. So I'm going to use this duct tape to put on the outside of the package. And then over here I have my tissue paper that I like to wrap the stuff in. I think the only, I usually don't wrap all of them because I don't feel like that's a need. No, you shouldn't use colored paper because if the items get wet, but if they go in a poly mailer, they're usually pretty safe. So I might wrap them, I might not. I haven't really decided yet. So let's just get right into packaging these up.
So the first thing you can see here is that I'm going through and picking out the label that I have written on to find the one that matches the shirt that I am packaging up. Now I just make sure that I fold the shirt very nicely and make sure it is in good condition before I put it into the poly mailer. So because I don't like to tape the label onto the package, I fold it like this, and I then stick it into one of these pouches that is sticky, and you just peel the back off and you put it right on the package. It's very easy and you don't have to cut and stick tape to the package, and it makes it look a little bit neater. I just use a little bit of tape to secure the top just to make sure that nobody can fiddle with it while it's in the mail process. So I just take the back off and bam, slap it right on the package just like that. I just fold the shirt or whatever I'm packaging up very nicely, and I just slip it right into the poly mailer. It's super easy, and I think this is the best part of Poshmark and reselling in general is the packaging process. I think it's so fun. So I just slip my coupon in there, peel off the back, and just put it like that. So like I said, to make it cute, I use a piece of duct tape to go around the side and back of the package, and I just feel like this makes it look a lot cuter. You obviously don't have to do this, but this is just something that I like to do to make the packages look a little more personalized. So for the next 2 items that I am going to ship, I do the same process. So I'm just gonna speed this up for you guys, and I hope you guys get a good preview of what it's like to ship for Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Etsy, You can obviously personalize it and specialize it however you want, but this is how I do it, and I just wanted to share with you guys to show you guys how I package up my orders for Poshmark. Alright guys, we're cutting it close. It's 3:55. I have to get going to the post office right now because it gets super busy at this time of the day. So I'm going to take my 3 packages. I am so proud of this. Hope that this continues, and I am really on the stride, the looking, the future. I don't even know what to say. I'm just so excited. I'm really excited to see what the future has to hold with this Poshmark business for me. So I am so excited to be super focused on Poshmark and to give you guys some really good content. Just stick around for the ride, and if you guys have already been here for a while, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's go take these bad boys to the post office. I'm getting ready to go to the post office. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I just am so happy that I got 3 orders today. Like, so exciting to me. Such a big improvement. And the last 2 weeks have been really bad, but I've been trying to be like super active recently. It's been like going good, but I personally also think that just being super dedicated to it has really been a great thing for me to do, and it's something that has helped me to fill up my time with this crazy year. And I think not focusing on a lot of other things and focusing more on like yourself, you know, like doing what is best for you. And a lot of people have been really supportive, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys, like, thank you so much for supporting me. And if you guys have or are thinking about purchasing from me, just let me know you're from my YouTube channel, because I think that would be so cool if I got people from my YouTube channel to purchase from me. So just let me know if you guys want to buy anything from me that you guys came from my YouTube channel. I'll definitely hook it up for you guys. So I'm almost there. I'm so excited, so let's get these packages shipped out.